What's going on, y'all? We are here in Puerto Rico at the Rio Mar Margaritaville Wyndham Resort. We are in room number 6116, and we're going to show you what it looks like. When you first walk in, you notice that the room is open, nice open floor plan. And you come into a bar and a full kitchen suite, fully equipped. And just as Jimmy would like, margarita glasses with your ice bucket, as well as a blender. Microwave, electric cooktop. Not a huge refrigerator, but plenty big enough. All kinds of drawer space. Sectional wraparound couch. Ottoman and desk. And look at all this room. Right now we haven't unpacked. So we have our bags stacked up there, and we have both our bags underneath these nightstands with plenty of room. Big king size bed, beautiful bedding, wonderful and soft. Large TV, more dresser space. Really love the colors and everything in here. Just gives you that beachy Jimmy Buffett feel. Mother ocean. Got the parrots above the bed. As you make your way toward the front door, you hang a left, this is where your closet space is. Plenty of closet room. Behind this sliding door, you'll find the restroom. This is one of the largest restrooms that we've had in a studio suite. Love the theming on the sink. Plenty of room there on the sink top. Nice, large mirror and huge shower area. So this is the ocean view portion of the Studio Deluxe Ocean View room. This is what you pay for right here. Look at that amazing ocean view. Get the pool as well. Plenty of room up here. We were very impressed with the room. We hope you enjoyed this room tour. If you'd like to see more travel vlogs, click the link above.